Hey there, family, friends, and fellow food fans. I'm Jake, the Unqualified Chef, here to remind you once again that you don't always have to have quality ingredients to enjoy a quality meal. Today, we're going to be doing pizza. A little bit different than what you might be thinking. We've all had the days, or rather long nights. You wake up in the morning, look in the fridge, and all you have is a crappy leftover piece of pizza. This thing is probably 2 days old, and I wouldn't want to eat it right now. But I'm going to throw this on medium-high heat, and we're going to turn this into breakfast. Ingredients today, very simple. Extra virgin olive oil, oregano, and 1 egg. Starting off, let's put a tablespoon of olive oil in the pan here. Now this is a very large pan for our one piece of pizza, but that's okay. We're going to let this get hot. Let's take some of this oregano. Throw that in the olive oil. You might think that this is a lot of oil. It looks like it for sure. But we have a very dry, nasty piece of pizza here that we are going to have to revive somehow. And we're also going to use the same pan for our egg. You can test it. A little piece of, looks like it used to be pepperoni. I don't know what it is now. It is not ready. Okay, this little piece of mystery meat is now starting to sizzle. So let's do our thing here. Let's put this pizza in. Cheese side down. That's right, we're grilling cheese. Press this sucker. There's a little bit of oil here on this side of the pan. While that's going, let's crack our egg. Let's separate it. We're doing a fried egg today, and we want to save this yolk. We'll pour the white in. Let's flip my pizza. Get the crust and all that oil. Some salt. Come on in here a little closer. A little pepper. Get this white kind of turned around. Put the yolk on there. Stay. There we go. Let it do its thing. Pizza is pretty much done right here at this point, so we're going to put that on a plate. Heat off. If you have another pan, you can cover this thing. Let it build up a little bit of heat on top, kind of cook that yolk a little bit. Take that thing off, and there you have it, your pizza and your egg. Just pick this sucker up, look at the bottom crust, nicely fried. So it's fry bread, dip it right here in your yolk. Meal fit for a king right there. Oh. It's so good. Should be illegal. Goodness gracious. Thanks for joining me today on the Unqualified Chef. Remember, you don't always have to have quality ingredients to enjoy a quality meal. Sometimes it helps. Anyways, I'm going to put my face into this, and I'm going to catch you later. If you like the video, hit the big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for all sorts of tips and techniques, learning how to make good food with not a whole lot. And tell this to your friends. And probably just eat only 1 or 2 pieces. It'll catch up with you.